S63 2016 model and with engine 157 V8 cylinder. Today I am going to replace water pump, thermostat and some coolant line related to turbocharger. So this job is related for 5 hours, but depend on your experience, the time can increase and decrease. For me it's a 5-hour take complete job. Water pump and thermostat is easy, but the turbo line is the difficult. Left side turbo line is a difficult to replace because sometimes stuck inside. So we have to use different types of liquid. Sometimes we have no access. This is the thermostat, this turbo line. In this car, this engine 157 thermostat is always damaged. While removing, you cannot keep the safe of thermostat while disconnecting from water pump, because this is the plastic and always this thermostat is stuck inside the water pump. You can see how is the condition of this turbocharger coolant line. This is also turbocharger coolant line, but we will replace the small one right side and 2 big pipe for left side. This is small one we will also replace. Here is this is the coolant line. You have to use different types of liquid, then you can remove it one, because here no more space for you can apply the power for extracting this hose. Just you have to lubricate and little bit you have to push and pull, then you can remove this one. For water pump, sometimes it's stuck because of corrosion, and so for corrosion just you have to apply some lubricant, different types of like WD-40, then you can remove this one.